Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make marinated salmon sashimi. This one is a Korean recipe that marinate in a soy sauce based marinade, and you will love the salmon that is delicious and just a simple ingredients and is a few ingredients. It's very good when you eat with the steamed rice. This recipe is more simple, it's slightly sweet and not too salty, and the sauce is perfect, complement the dish of the fish. So let's start with our sauce. We use the soy sauce for 10 tablespoons and water 10 tablespoons and the sugar for 4 tablespoons. But today that I will do today is the half of recipe. It's just only 3 ingredients for our sauce. And then bring all the marinade ingredients to a boil over medium-high heat and briefly boil for a minute or 2 minutes until the sugar is dissolved. And then after that we cool completely. And then thinly slice the garlic and also the red chili. Or you can change from the garlic to the onion or chili pepper. And put the garlic and chili in the warm sauce. And then we're gonna cut the salmon fillet into the small pieces. But don't make it too thin. And place the salmon in an airtight container. Keep it in the fridge while the waiting for the marinade is cold. And then we're gonna pour the marinade over the salmon and refrigerate the salmon at least 6 hours. For me, it's 6 hours is enough. Is all the sauce is absorbed into our salmon. And now it's after 6 hours. You can see our salmon is already absorbed the sauce. And then you can simply serve it as a side or main dish with the bowl of the rice. And when you eat, just eat with the rice, or in optional you can eat with the seaweed as I do today. It's so mixed well and look like a sushi. And add some of the garlic and chili, or you can add some of the wasabi or also the seafood sauce as you like. So I hope you guys give this try for this recipe. And if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.